What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know the thing going on. You don't know the attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. But first of all, I just want to say big up to all of the Trinidadian fans them. You understand? Tobago fans them. Because you don't know the attacking boss represent. You understand? Attack. But right about now, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk about an incident that took place over in Trinidad and Tobago involving some Jamaican national in our place over the people where them call him Quebec, Kurak, or way. You understand? But it's over in Trinidad and Tobago. So anybody from over that side and you hear the name and you want to drop the correct name in the, you understand? Yeah, because first me I hear about it in the comment section where the people them can get the correct name. Yeah, just leave it down there. Big up to all Trinidadian massive and family again. But people, as I'm telling you people, and you look on that picture, Zane, and most of these men, Jamaican national, my viewers and subscribers. So it is said that these men who resides over there, people, at an apartment, my people, over there, which is have about 20 rooms on it, my people. Zane, and based on information when I receive, my people, some of them man are straight, meaning they married over there and got them local documents. Some of them not straight people, some of them illegal. And some of them, you know what I mean, did they and try get them things sorted out in the process and thing. But information reaching to the attacking boss now, people, is that early in the morning, maybe 2 days ago now, my people, yeah, man, early in the morning, man, in them room, you understand, who wrap up and curl up with them woman, who did this and still a just snore or something, people, them hungry, boom, 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 boom. You understand? And when them look outside, my people, the yard was swarmed with men dressed in uniform resembling soldiers over there in Trinidad, my people. But when them do check a stock, people, they found out that they were all police and immigration officers. So they said that now, my people, them come so boom and them quarrel, and this is where them the people are based on the picture where you see, and I succumb them arrest every one of these Jamaican national, and if any other foreign national who was there, people, them arrest everyone. But luckily, people, there was one person who managed to come so boom and make a move, my people, and you know what I mean, on a real level people, you know what I mean, you know what I mean, and something. But as me I tell my people, it was a real tough situation over there, because based on information when me all I receive, people, is that man of your stay so booming at them bed, and you know what I mean, them so frightened, them can't believe, and you know the thing of people when they come so boom and make a chad, you know what I mean, go to a next country, people, you know you want better, because you may go to a next country, you know, my people. See, not everybody comes to boom and travel and go for badness and go for involvement in criminality. No, man who used to be a bit in a badness a yard, then comes to boom and then go to some other place. People, you're frightened if you see them do certain type of job. Maybe you see them now want a supermarket. Maybe you see them work on one truck around there. So yeah, say, boom beat. And that them man who used to on the street and go inside yard and look him on there now. You understand? Because when they do travel, they do get a different mindset and a different mentality, people, and they do make a change in them life. But it's just sad, and me understand a people country, and me can't tell them how to run them country, me can't tell them what to do in their country, my people. But it's just sad when some people just travel for better and them in a situation where they do get caught with feds and immigration like that, you know, and to tell them where they are not doing criminality activities, where you have a lot of people who go foreign, don't make no use of themselves, them waste them time, waste them life, I do be a foolishness and I do this and I make be a problem, and then manage to come so boom, they all the day of them life, you never yes them get catch or in a problem with immigration or police, never, see, but they are the ones who are doing the criminal activities. But sadly, my people, so based on information when I receive, people, these Jamaican national, they are still behind bars in immigration, you know what I mean, and something. So I don't get no follow up and to say if any of them has been released, people, but based on information, over 20 of them is behind bars, people, and I don't know what's the next process going to be, if they're going to keep them there for a while, any charges going to laid against them, or if they are going to be deported back to their original country. I'm talking about the Jamaican national, which is Jamaica, my people. So I didn't get that information, but All I'm doing, people, is just hoping for the best. You understand? And hope say them brother are the straight based on information, people. They weren't mixed up in anything. They're a man who over there hustler, do them 9 to 5. You know what I mean? Most of them look a job around the sun, them look a job up the sun, and do them thing, people. They weren't criminals or anything like that. But sadly, people, something go down, immigration roll up, who not have them documents and this and that, which in most of our Caribbean countries, people, immigration do play a big role, meaning them strict, them depend peace, them depend them queues, because especially in our time right now when we have a COVID crisis and you don't know the thing of some countries only people who have, you know what I mean, status in their country can do take the vaccine and something, people. So them not gonna want nobody who not have this cap. Everybody want their whole country to be vaccinated, people. So you know, so the immigration set them are gonna really work hard and them are gonna do what them are do. But you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, you know, it's just I'm keeping you all update, man. So if you have no Jamaican and no family over there in other place when name Quebec or Wayne name people, you can just link them up and ask them if them good, ask them if them alright, and if you can't get them people, then you know say something may be good and maybe them they be around there. So you understand, which me hope not, cause you don't know the thing of people, but it's just a tough situation. So more prayers and more blessings to my Jamaican nationals, them over there in Trinidad, and big up again to all Trinidad massive, and you don't know, more love, more respect and more blessings, and fully attack man of the attacking boss NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect, be good, be great and be safe, my people. Love you all. Attack, big up, peace out every time.